If you've ever wondered how to connect boxes in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to link shapes together so you can build flowcharts, diagrams, org charts, and process maps much faster. Whether you're connecting two existing boxes or adding a brand new shape and linking it at the same time, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart diagram and make sure you already have at least two boxes on the canvas. This can be any shape you want, but for this example, we'll use simple boxes. Now click on your first box and hover your mouse over it. When you do that, you should see small colored dots appear around the shape. These are connection points, and they usually appear on the sides, top, and bottom of the box. Once those dots appear, choose one of them and click it. After that, hold and drag your cursor toward the second box. As you drag, Lucidchart will show you the line following your movement. When you reach the next box, hover over one of its connection points and release the mouse. You'll know it worked when the second box highlights and the line snaps neatly into place. That's the basic method for connecting existing boxes. It's really useful when you already have your diagram laid out and just want to add relationships between shapes. If the line doesn't connect properly, just make sure you're dragging from one of the colored dots and not from the middle of the box. The connection points are what tell Lucidchart exactly where to attach the line. Now let's go over the second method, which is even faster if you're building your diagram from scratch. Start by clicking one of the colored dots on your first box, just like before. But this time, instead of dragging it to another existing shape, drag the line out to an empty area on the canvas. When you release your mouse button, Lucidchart will automatically open a small shape menu. This is one of the most convenient features because it lets you add and connect a new shape in one move. From the menu, click the shape you want to add, and Lucidchart will place it right at the end of your line and connect it automatically. This method is perfect for creating flowcharts quickly because you don't have to keep going back and forth between adding shapes and drawing connectors. You can just continue building your diagram in a smooth, step-by-step flow. It saves time and helps keep everything neat and organized. If you're making a process diagram, you can keep repeating the same action to chain multiple boxes together. Just drag from the connection point of one shape, release in an empty space, choose the next shape, and continue. Before long, you'll have a fully connected diagram without having to manually draw each line. A quick tip: if your connectors look messy, you can usually adjust them by moving the shapes around. Lucidchart will often reroute the lines automatically so your diagram stays clean. And if you need to change which side the line attaches to, just click and drag from a different colored dot on the shape. So to recap, you can connect boxes in Lucidchart in two main ways. First, you can connect two existing shapes by hovering, clicking a connection dot, and dragging to the next box. Second, you can drag from a box into empty space, pick a new shape from the menu, and Lucidchart will connect it automatically. Both methods are simple once you know where to click. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.